you bring this dividend inside here and the divisor outside here. Then consider this first term, x squared, divided by the first term here, which is x, that gives you x. Write it up here. Then take this x, multiply by all of these. So x times x gives you x squared. Write it here. X times 2 gives you plus 2x. So write it here. Subtract these terms. This minus this gives you 0. 5x minus 2x gives you 3x. Write it here. Bring this plus 6 down. Then consider this first term, 3x, divided by this first term, x. You get plus 3. Write it here. Take this plus 3, multiply by the all of these. So whatever you have written up here, you will multiply by the all of these. 3 times x gives you 3x. 3 times 2 gives you plus 6. So write plus 6 here. When you subtract them, you get this giving you 0. This gives you 0. So what we have down here is 0. That means the division is ended, and therefore that means that x squared plus 5x plus 6 when divided by x plus 2 gives this one as the answer. Another example, we are dividing x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6 by x plus 1. Take this dividend inside here, bring the divisor out. Consider the first term as usual, x cubed divided by x gives you x squared. Write it here. Now x squared times the all of these. X squared times this gives you x cubed. Write it here. X squared times 1 gives you plus x squared. Subtract, you get this is 0. 2x squared minus x squared gives you 1x squared, which you can write as x squared. Bring this next term minus 5x down here. Then consider this term, first term here, divided by this. X squared divided by x gives you x, so write plus x here. Then take this plus x, multiply by the all of this. X times x gives you x squared. X times 1 gives you plus x. Subtract them. This minus this gives you 0. 5x minus x gives you minus 6x. Write it here. Then bring this last term minus 6. Write it down here. Consider this first term divided by this. Minus 6x divided by x gives you minus 6. Write it here. Minus 6. This minus 6 multiplied by the all of these, you get x times this giving you minus 6x. Minus 6 times 1 giving you minus 6. When you subtract them, you get the answer being 0. The division is complete, meaning this one divided by this one gives you this as the answer. The last example is 2x squared minus 5x minus 1 divided by x minus 3. The dividend inside here, the divisor outside, like that. Consider the first term, 2x squared. Divided by x, you get 2x. Write it here. Take this 2x multiplied by the all of these. So 2x times x gives you 2x squared. Write it here. 2x times minus 3 will give you minus 6x. Write it here. Subtract. This gives you 0. 5x minus negative 6x will give you minus 5x plus 6x, and that's 1x, which we write as x. Bring this minus 1 down. Then x divided by x, you get 1, so write plus 1 here. Now this plus 1 times x gives you x. Plus 1 times minus 3 will give you minus 3, which is written down here. Subtract them, this gives you 0. minus 1 subtract negative 3 is the same as minus 1 plus 3, giving you a balance of 2. So this is a remainder because we have no any other term to bring down. That means this one divided by this gives you this remainder this. So that is how we divide polynomials. Thank you.